In this video, we'll be talking about PDFs and how they are visually displayed. My colleague Elizabeth is here working with us for a week to learn more about PDF files, and we'll be demonstrating some ways or formats in which PDF files appear and how to understand them. So the main question is, what is actually inside a PDF file? Elizabeth, I bet you've never thought of a PDF file as a data dump or some form of unrecognizable words other than normal plain text.
Yeah, well, Kelvina, I really didn't. Before starting my internship here at IDRsolutions, I would usually open a PDF file and I didn't really think any more of it. I never really thought too much about the inner workings of the file and its structure. For example, in the past when I worked with PDF files, when I would open it, I would think of it as like an image of a document with text and information, but you can't edit it, you can only view it. And that's just how I thought of it.
Okay, so let's try to open a PDF file, just an example one in a text editor, and see what it shows us. Oh, look at all this stuff. It looks like gibberish. I can't understand anything.
Yeah, it looks completely unrecognizable. It's not like English at all. And it's not even a computer associated language like binary or hexadecimal, something that I can try and convert back into English. I mean, I'd have no clue what to do with all of this.
Yes, Elizabeth, this is what we call a data dump. This is basically what the file actually contains, so don't even bother trying to understand it. I can see some plain English words, but most of it is classified as binary language, so we can't even understand it. So unlike an HTML file where you can actually see the content, think of this PDF file as the ingredients needed to create the content. So these ingredients are raw images and fonts and text.
Yeah.
So the PDF file, it has a set of instructions to draw on the screen, and then the output is what you see in a PDF viewer. So let's try to open it in a PDF viewer that looks like normal plain text.
I hadn't thought of it that way, but you explaining it in that kind of ingredients metaphor made it really easy to understand.
I'm going to make some changes. Let's delete end stream over here. And then save the file. So we're going to export as PDF after saving the desktop, for instance. Replace it. Reopen the preview.
Oh no.
Oh,
that's really bad.
This is not the raw text and words that we saw.
Yeah.
Nothing to understand. It comes up as binary. This tells us that any small change you make in the raw file in the text editor can greatly impact the display in the preview. Because the plain content output is shown as a result of information that the raw file contained, making the changes in the text editor affects the output and any other formats that you try to reopen it in.
Okay, so in this case, we could say the file's been corrupted.
Spot on. If we need to change some information or layout of the content, we need a tool that can allow us to look, examine, and view the underlying data properly. And remember that the underlying data includes a collection of objects, text, different fonts, images, and also these images come as compressed and binary too.
Well, that makes sense.
Additionally, we can also see that the raw file has a cross-referencetable that records the exact byte position. So that's why any changes as minor as removing a stop can add or cause a significant change to the file and corrupt it.
Okay, well that's really interesting.
Yeah, so that's why we built our own in-house PDF inspector as one of the many features that our pure Java library can run.
Gosh, that must be pricey because it does so much.
You can actually use our PDF inspector for free, completely
God.
off charge forever.
Well, that's really, really good.
Yeah, and its usefulness is solely reliant on what you're looking to achieve.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It lets you inspect and debug PDF problems, and you can inspect the HRef tables and step through PDF content streams with breakpoints. It can also help you manipulate the PDF structure and object so that you can understand the formats, the code, decompress streams, move things around and keep everything consistent. It has many other functionalities that can help you do other things with your PDF documents.
Wow, that information is really interesting to know. But unfortunately, I think I'll stick to opening it the standard way for now.
You can't do, completely up to you, as long as you're aware of how these processes work. We also have a blog post on how our PDF inspector works.
Really? That's super helpful.
Yes, we have several blog posts that teach you how to do things.
So have they made it really easy to understand, and is that like a step-by-step process?
It can get boring and time consuming, and maybe for you, you don't want to spend all your time doing that.
Oh, but it might be fun to try.
That's why we've done all the work for you, actually.
Great.
If you encounter any problem downloading or playing around with our PDF inspector after watching this video, then of course we can help you. Just let us know by reaching out via the link in the bio.
Thanks for watching.